Yay, he's back. Fernando is back. Don't know how he managed to creep into my video. But yeah, today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing of a plane. Now, I wasn't actually going to do an unboxing of this plane. I wasn't even going to do a video on this plane. But because it arrived a little bit, well, the blister came a little bit cracked. I guess I'm doing an unboxing. Just because, yeah. So, anyways, today we'll be taking a closer look at Little King, the Irish plane from Planes, well, the first Planes movie. So, yeah. I got this plane from eBay from a random seller. I think I paid £15 for it. Pretty cheap for Little King, especially because of how rare he is. Yep, take a look at the package now. There's a name tag. 3+, Mattel should be somewhere on here. There's the plane. You can see Little King's artwork, pretty cool. He's in the Wings Around the Globe series. Disney's planes, pretty cool. This is his second release, I believe, because he was released in 2013. We can see all the other planes. Of course, we can see a picture of Dusty taking Little King, or Yellowbird, sorry, which I will compare him to Little King in a bit, because they're the same model. Pretty cool. And there's the bio, you can pause and read. We got some other cars, or planes as I should say, on the back. Rochelle, Racing Dusty, Arturo, Ripslinger and Sunwing. All these ones I do actually already own. This one is made in China, specifically, and released in 2013 and 2016. So yeah, I'll be right back with Little King all opened up. Not gonna lie, that was pretty easy to open. Again, I didn't exactly want to open this packaging just because of how rare this particular plane is, but because it was coming off, yeah, I had to. So, for Little King's movie prints, if I do find a picture, I will add it now up here as I usually do if there is a picture. But yeah, now going on to the review. So here is Little King. He is green to represent Ireland. Pretty cool. Not exactly sure if we have any UK races except for Bulldog. So, yep. He's got his working propeller here. Works pretty well. He's got his expression down here. Pretty smooth, actually. Here's the number 14 racer. You can see 1 and 4. This yellow like outlining here. Pretty sweet. And we've got the Irish like lucky clover here. I believe it is a clover. Not 100%. There's his eye expression. On the side, we've got the 14 on the clover. Pretty cool. We've got some sponsors here. He's got Little King, Ryan something, I believe that says. Got this code here, JB90677H. Got some diamond-shaped squares here in the yellow colour on his tail wing. And here is the base. Made by Mattel, China, as usual. And there's the connector to connect him to the playsets. Do like Little King. Here is Yellowbird now. It's literally the exact same model as him. Just, you know, different colours. And we also got Ned and Zed, which are believed to be the same models as well. You know, just paint overs. Here is Ned, 0, Z, 00. So that does end today's video on Little King. Planes, you can't exactly review them that well because they're that quick of a video. If you guys are new, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification down below. Of course, to the next one, peace guys, and welcome back Fernando.